Hello everyone, welcome back to Yog Thermal Guru. In today's video, we are going to understand an important and very useful device in instrumentation field, portable temperature indicator. If you are working in maintenance, calibration, or plant troubleshooting, this device becomes your best friend. So watch this video till the end to clearly understand what is portable temperature indicator, how it works, types, applications, advantages. Let's start. What is portable temperature indicator? A portable temperature indicator is a handheld device used to measure temperature directly from sensors like RTD, thermocouple. It is mainly used for field measurement, calibration checking, troubleshooting temperature loops. Unlike fixed panel indicators, this device can be carried anywhere. It gives quick and accurate temperature readings on a digital display. Simple definition. A portable temperature indicator is a handheld instrument used to measure temperature in field conditions using temperature sensors. Working principle. Now let's understand how it works. The working depends on the sensor type. If connected to an RTD, it measures resistance change, converts resistance into temperature. If connected to a thermocouple, it measures millivolt signal, converts voltage into temperature. Inside the device, signal conditioning circuit, microcontroller, display unit. The microcontroller converts the sensor signal into temperature value and shows it on LCD display. Some advanced models also have data hold function, min-max reading, backlight display, unit selection, degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit. Types of portable temperature indicators. There are mainly three types. First, RTD portable indicator used with PT100 or PT1000 sensors. Second, thermocouple portable indicator used with JKT-R type thermocouple. Third, universal portable indicator supports both RTD and thermocouple inputs. Universal type is most commonly used in industries because it is flexible. Applications. Portable temperature indicators are widely used in power plants, boiler systems, pharmaceutical industries, food processing plants, chemical industries, maintenance departments. Main uses: checking sensor accuracy, comparing field reading with control room reading, calibration verification, troubleshooting temperature transmitter. For example, if control room shows 150 degrees Celsius and you suspect error, you can connect portable indicator directly to sensor and verify actual temperature. Advantages. Some important advantages: easy to carry, quick measurement, accurate reading, battery operated, useful for field engineers, saves time in troubleshooting, it reduces downtime and helps in quick decision making. Important points. While using portable temperature indicator, select correct sensor type. Check proper connection. Ensure sensor is healthy. Avoid loose terminals. Use proper compensation cable for thermocouple. Wrong selection can give incorrect reading. Conclusion. So today we learned what is portable temperature indicator, how it works, types, applications, advantages. It is a very important instrument for maintenance and calibration engineers. If you want to build strong basics in temperature instrumentation, this device is very important to understand. If you found this video useful, like, share and subscribe to Yog Thermal Guru for more simple and practical instrumentation videos. See you in the next video.